Okay, so we are back on. So, do you think that this is gonna impact all these people? How are they gonna exchange money in 2 days? And then
Definitely,
all
right
five,
now.
everybody works on 500,000, right?
Yeah, but definitely it's not gonna.
Let's not lose the line.
Yeah. So what is the plan? Is like this is the main plan, but right now we think that they are not gonna come up with some plan to make all the black money legal. So for a citizen point of view, it will be a difficult one. So they will have to exchange. But if they don't have black money, why do they
Long
have to
run,
worry?
this will. Okay.
So they won't be having liquid cash with them or hard cash with them.
Cool.
So they will be exchanging with banks just for 2 days. They will be in some difficulty because they will have to bear with it because there are no banks open for 2 days.
Sounds good.
So that's why we are here standing in the queue
Chalo,
today.
happy exchanging, man. Okay, so right now we have more people who have come here to exchange money, I guess, right? So how do you feel? Is it gonna go the right way, the wrong way? How's it gonna?
It's right, but they should inform us that okay, this thing is going to happen. Be careful before one day if we will get to know okay, this thing going to happen, we will withdraw the money instead of waiting in a queue and then it will take half an hour to get the money.
Right.
It will be
Okay.
time-consuming thing. That's it.
Anything, ma'am? How do you like? How do you like to? How you think it's a good decision? But everybody is having hard cash these days. I mean, I have 500,000. You have 500,000.
As it's a secret deal, we cannot inform it so early. So it's a nice decision. Let's see what happens.
Good. Thank you. Right. So we have more people who have come here to take the inflow of hundreds in place of 500 and thousands. So let's talk. What do you feel? Is it the right step? Is it the right time? Are we given enough amount of time to exchange? Seeing the line, and do you think it's gonna affect the inflow of hard cash, black earned cash?
It may affect, but of course it's a right step taken by Modi.
Okay.
Modi
The
clear up.
implementation taken
Oh.
by the Modi is the best thing. The decision making power of Modi is great. But the step they have taken right now, it's not good at all. Because we are also having sort of money for last few days. But
Feel the time limit is
the time limit is so
ample?
short.
seeing
So it
a
is not
city
ample
like
at all.
Bangalore and people moving around. You can see the line in front of you. What do you have to
Modi
say?
not given chance to the
Access
person
our
who have
money.
a black money.
All right.
So they stop the midnight.
All right.
So,
And the banking hours also gone off. So there is a
even
big
even
issue.
tomorrow and day after tomorrow the
Yes.
banks
Yeah,
are
the
closing.
banks are closed.
So it's like 4 days holidays.
Yeah.
You have to
Saturday, Sunday is also coming. So there's a big issue.
So long-term effects or the short-term effects, if you can elaborate on
it may create some problem, but we want India without black money. So I am
Yeah,
with Modi.
YOLO.
I am with Modi.
Thank you. Thank
Everyone
you.
But
needs
also I am-
to take
I'm-
action in the right time.
I am from Gujarat, so I am with Modi.
Oh my God, we have a good Jew.
Yes, I am Guju.
So, okay, thank you so much
Okay,
to talking
thank
to. So we are talking about this change that has been brought overnight in entire India. You have been given only a fortnight to change your money. What do you think? Is the change going correct? Short-term effects, long-term effects?
So honestly, to be honest, if the change wasn't a short-term one, I think people would have misused it if the window of opportunity would have been greater. So I think it's the time given to us is pretty apt, and it's after the banking hours. So I think the announcement was made the right way. And the good thing is that we are salaried people, so most of our transactions are in white. All of the transactions are in white. We pay our taxes, so it's not a challenge, to be honest. Everyone except Paytm.
So you think the long-term goals going inside or the short-term goals are going to yield some good results? Finally, we are going to see something good.
Of course.
Cool. Good luck to you too and me too. Thank you.